Heavy Machinery has supplied a comprehensive fluorite ore processing plant to a client in Mongolia. Let's see how this plant works. We employ LTC jig to treat fine-grained fluorite ore ranging from 1 to 8 millimeters in size. And FRT jigs to handle coarse-grained fluorite ore between 8 and 50 millimeters. Now have a look at the sorting effect. These jigs efficiently separate fluorite from gangue minerals, resulting in a high-grade fluorite concentrate with a purity of 95%. Compared to flotation, jigging offers a more environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution for fluorite ore processing, particularly for ores with coarse crystalline structures.